Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fund a PayPal account. This is useful if you're planning to shop online, send payments, or simply keep a balance ready for future transactions without relying on a card every time. To get started, open your PayPal account and head to the wallet section. This is the area where you can manage your payment methods, and it's also where you'll be able to see any connected bank accounts, linked cards, and your current PayPal balance. Think of it as the control center for all your payment options in one place. If you're new to this screen, take a moment to look around so you know where everything is before moving on. Getting familiar with the layout can make the process much easier, especially if you're using PayPal for the first time, and it helps you avoid clicking the wrong section by mistake. Once you're in the wallet, the next step is to link a funding source if you haven't already done that. Look for the option that says Link a Card or Link a Bank, then choose whichever method you prefer to use. This step is important because PayPal needs a connected source before you can move money into your balance. If you want to move money directly from your bank into your PayPal balance, linking a bank account is usually the most relevant option. If you'd rather connect a debit or credit card for payments, you can link a card instead. Many users prefer bank linking for larger transfers, while cards are often used for quick payments and online purchases. Just follow the on-screen prompts and make sure the details you enter are accurate so the connection goes through smoothly. Small errors in bank or card details can sometimes delay the linking process, so it's worth double-checking everything before you confirm. After your bank or card has been linked successfully, go back to your PayPal balance section. Click on your balance, then choose Transfer Money. This is where you'll manage any movement of funds into or out of your account balance. From there, select Add Money to Balance. This is the option you'll use when you want to move funds into your PayPal balance from a linked bank account, assuming that feature is available on your account and in your region. This is especially helpful if you prefer to preload your account before making online purchases. Now, one important thing to mention is that in some cases, you may not see the Add Money to Balance option right away. For example, if you're using a sandbox or test account, that option may not appear. That's normal in a testing environment, and it doesn't necessarily mean anything is wrong. On a regular live PayPal account, the option should be available if your account supports balance transfers. If you don't see it, double-check that your preferred bank or card is properly linked and confirmed, since incomplete verification can sometimes hide certain features. Also, make sure you're viewing the correct balance area and not just your list of payment methods. Small details like that can make a difference when navigating PayPal, especially since the interface can look slightly different depending on updates or device type. And that's really all there is to it. You go to the wallet, link your preferred bank or card, open your PayPal balance, transfer money, and then choose Add Money to Balance. It's a simple process once you know where to find each option, and after doing it once or twice, it becomes second nature. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.